What is the Ayurvedic diet? Ayurveda is a form of holistic medicine that's focused on promoting balance between your body and mind. According to Ayurveda, 5 elements make up the universe: Vayu, air; Jala, water; Akash, space; Tiha, fire; and Prithvi, earth. These elements are believed to form 3 different doshas. Each dosha is responsible for specific physiological functions. Vata dosha is governed by air and space, creative, energetic, and lively. People with this dosha are usually thin, with a light frame, and may struggle with digestive issues, fatigue, or anxiety when out of balance. Pitta is governed by fire and water, intelligent, hardworking, and decisive. This dosha generally has a medium physical build, short temper, and may suffer from conditions like indigestion, heart disease, or high blood pressure.
Kapha is governed by earth plus water. Naturally calm, grounded, and loyal. Those with a Kapha dosha often have a sturdier frame and may have issues with weight gain, asthma, depression, or diabetes.